Today I'm putting together my Raspberry Pi 5 object detection build using the AI hat with the Hailo-8 accelerator at 26 teraOPs, plus the official active cooler and a bumper case to keep it protected and stable. First, a quick unbox. Here's each part out of the box. Then we stack it all onto the Pi, lock everything into place, and you can see it becomes a clean, compact 1-unit setup that's ready to run 24/7. Now I'll jump onto the Pi over SSH and start the object detection pipeline, and instead of plugging in a display, I'm viewing the live output through the RPi Connect web interface so the stream stays easy to access from anywhere on my network. While that's running, I'll pull up the system stats so you can see the Pi isn't struggling. CPU, RAM, and temperature are all healthy, and there's still plenty of headroom even with real-time detection. If you want the full build steps, wiring, and the exact commands I used, drop a comment and I'll share the complete setup in the next video.